Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Legal. I'm one of the Autism Low Incidence Mentor teachers, and I'm going to do another lesson from the Unique Learning System program. It's lesson number 24, and we're going to talk about all different types of shapes. So, if you have a communication device and you have shapes on your communication device, you can go get it now. The first shape we're going to talk about is a circle. Point to the circle. A circle is round. A circle is round. The second shape we're going to talk about is a square. Point to the square. A square has four sides. Four sides. The next shape we're going to talk about is a triangle. Point to the triangle. A triangle has three sides. And then we're going to talk about a rectangle. A rectangle is longer than a square and also has four sides. Point to the rectangle. And the last one we're going to talk about is a pentagon. This one's a little bigger than the others and it's yellow. A pentagon has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's go back to our first shape. The circle. Okay, let's see what we can find out about the circle. All right.
Circle.
Circle has one side.
One side.
The side is curved. See how it's curved and it goes around and around and around? And it has no corners.
No corners.
It's just around and around and around. Okay. Then we have our square. We have
Square.
square. It has straight sides.
Square.
And it has four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has four corners. If you can't see the corners in this picture, here's my square here. We can look at it here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now let's move up and see our rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle has straight sides. It has four sides too. 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite sides are equal. So this side and this side are the same length, and this side and this side are the same length. And it has four corners too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we have our triangle.
Triangle.
The triangle has three sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So it has straight sides, and three sides, and three corners. 1, 2, 3. Then last, we have our pentagon. Pentagon. And move this up for you so you can see it.
Pentagon.
It has straight sides.
Straight sides.
It has 5 sides.
5 sides.
And it has 5 corners.
5 corners.
Let's count the corners on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. All right. I'm going to move on to our next page. I'm going to make it a little smaller so I can see it. There we go. All right, so the first shape we talked about was a circle. Point to it. Shape.
Circle.
That's right. Then, oops, sorry. Then we have the triangle, and that triangle looks like this.
Triangle.
Uh-huh. Then we have the rectangle.
Rectangle.
Then we have the square. Square. Which one of these looks like a square? Can you match it? Point to it. This one is the square. Nice job. All right, let's go back. All right, which one looks like the rectangle here? This one, or this one? This is a scoreboard. This is a basketball hoop. This is a square. Which one looks like this? Point to it. Pointed here, you're correct. All right, which one looks like the triangle? The rectangle? This one or the flag? Point to it. You pointed to the flag. You are correct. And the circle. There's the triangle.
Triangle.
Nope. Which one looks like a circle? If you pointed to the quarter, you are correct. Okay. This is the Pentagon.
Pentagon.
My Pentagon. 5 sides. Which one looks like a pentagon? Point to it. You pointed to this one, you are correct.
Soccer ball catch.
It's a soccer ball catch. So you kick your soccer ball into there and it catches it. Wait for the next pages to load. Just going to get to my next page real quick. All right, so Paige is playing baseball. She runs to a base. Pick a shape and put it over the base. So, how many sides? How many sides does this have right here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Who can find the number 4? If you have a communication device, you can find the number 4 on your communication device. This is the number 4. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can find the number 4? Point to it. Here's the number 4. What is the shape? It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Who can tell me what shape this is? Circle, rectangle, triangle. Sorry, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, pentagon. Point to it. If you pointed to the square, you are correct. All right. Drew is watching a football game. He sees the referee flip a coin. Remember what this coin is called? This is a quarter. Pick a shape and put it over the coin. Correct. Oh, let's find the shape. The quarter looks like a triangle, pentagon, square, rectangle, or circle. Point to it. Looks like a circle. All right. On to the next one. Okay. Paige is watching a soccer game. She looks at the scoreboard. This is a scoreboard right here. I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can see it. There we go. We're going to pick a shape and put it over the scoreboard that looks like this shape. This shape reminds me of right here. Who can tell me what that is? It's a rectangle. Let's find the rectangle. Point to it. There's the rectangle. Nice job. All right. Make this a little bigger. Here we go. Drew is looking at a soccer ball. He sees a patch on the soccer. He sees a patch on the soccer ball. Pick a shape and put it over the soccer ball patch. Which one looks like this, which is a pentagon? Point to it. You pointed to this one. You are correct. All right. How many sides does the pentagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the number 5? Point to it. If you pointed here, you are correct. All right, now this is asking how many corners. So this is the points. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. 5 corners. Who can find the number 5? Point to it. You pointed here. You are correct. All right, what is the shape? If it has 5 sides, is it a circle, a rectangle, a triangle? Sorry, a circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, or a pentagon? If you pointed to pentagon, you are correct. Nice job. All right, so again, we went over pentagon, rectangle, triangle, square, and a circle. A circle has 0 sides because it goes around and around and around. A square has 4 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. And a rectangle has 4 sides as well, but it's longer than a triangle. And a pentagon has 5 sides. Those are our shapes we've been talking about. Oh, we haven't done the triangle. I missed the triangle. Let's do the triangle, okay? So how many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Who can find the number 3? Point to it. That's the number 3. All right, how many corners? The points here. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 again. Who can find the number 3? Point to it. Here's the number 3. All right, what shape is this? Is it a circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, or a pentagon? Point to it. Or you can find your shapes on your communication device if you have shapes on it. It's a triangle. Nice job. All right. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon. All right. What over here looks like a circle? Point to it. I see 3 things that look like a circle. If you pointed to this, this, or this, you are correct. I'm going to move one over. All right. This is a square. Square. What over here looks like a square? Point to it. You pointed to this or this. This. Let's move one over. All right. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
What looks like a rectangle here? I see 2 things that look like a rectangle. Right here and right here. Here, let's move this scoreboard over here. All right, triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides.
Triangle.
Triangle. What looks like a triangle? I see 2 things that look like a triangle. This flag and this flag. Point to it. Let's move one of the flags over. There we go.
Pentagon.
Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides. All right. What here looks like a pentagon? It's the soccer ball patch. Let's move it over. There we go. Good job. Okay, we're going to get to our next page. All right. So in the picture, I see a square, a circle, a triangle, and a rectangle. Let's match. Let's find a square. Point to the square to fix the goal. If you pointed here, you are correct. All right, let's find the circle. Which one looks like a circle? It's like the referee is going to hold the coin, and it's a quarter. If you pointed here, you are correct. All right, let's find the rectangle. Is this a rectangle or is this a rectangle? Point to the rectangle. You pointed here, you are correct. It's the clipboard for the other referee to hold on to. And this right here has 1, 2, 3 sides. Which shape has 3 sides? Point to it. If you pointed to the triangle, you are correct. So this is a triangle right here. For the flag, let's move it over. Awesome job. All right, so now this is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Over here, we have 2 triangles with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How can we fit these triangles into this square? Let's find out. Do you see this line right here? So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 triangles fit in a square. Watch. 1, 2. 2 triangles. 2 triangles fit into a square. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see how many triangles can fit into a pentagon. 5 sides. Let's count the triangle. These are the triangles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles can fit into a pentagon. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles fit into a pentagon. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's get to our next page. All right, here we go. So, there's a chair, a desk, and a box. And these shapes, the circle, the square, the triangle, the rectangle. I'm gonna ask you some questions and you're gonna move them to the different spots in the picture. So the first one is put the coin on the desk. Here's the coin. Who can point to the desk to put it on the desk? The coin, the circle coin, goes on the desk. Okay.
Coin.
Put the baseball under the chair. Okay. Here's the baseball. Where is under the chair? Is under the chair here or here? Point to it. Point to under the chair. The circular baseball goes under the chair. That's under the chair. Put the megaphone in the bin. This is a megaphone and it looks like a triangle. And here's the bin. They want you to put the megaphone in the bin. Put it in the bin. Can you point to in the bin? If you pointed here, you are correct. Put the volleyball beside